These are the LED bulb I'm using for this video. So first of all, you need to twist this and take it out the plug, because the bulb is inside of the plug. So when you're removing the bulb, make sure, be careful and try not to harm yourself, and take out the bulb. What you need to do is pull out the bulb from the plug. Pull the bulb out of the plug and put this bulb on the side. So now I will remove the second side bulb. Same like the first one, you need to twist the brown plug on one side and take out the plug. Now you can see it's a loose now, so I pulled it out. Now you can see the bulb. So first of all, I will remove the bulb and put the new one later. I'll show you. So now I have removed both bulbs from the side bulbs of this car. So now I'm gonna install these bulbs. These are the LED bulbs, so I'm gonna install them one by one. So is simply you need to push them in. So push one side first and see the plug first, then you need to push it like is done properly. So next one, same with the other one. These are the same bulbs, so you can push in. As you can see, the now I will check, put the ignition on and check are they working or not. Yes, they are working, so that's the done. Now I need to put them back in their place. So I push them in and twist a bit and make them tight. So both plugs I did it same. So now I'll check at the end, are they working or not. Before you drive away, check your bulbs so they're working fine. So thank you for watching my video, and subscribe my channel for more videos. So these are working now.